So guys, hear the sound of this car. This is Toyota Corolla 1ZZ normal engine as usual, and you can see engine is rattling continuously, that making it doesn't not look smooth at all. So I have to check it out, diagnose it, and figure out what is the fault. So it is engine rattling, but I'm going to diagnose it with a scan tool. So this engine is making too much noise. And the noise is even higher than this when you are in motion. Let me put a scan tool, then we see what is happening inside the store code. And you can see a camshaft position timing over retarded bank 1. We have 6 codes, and we have mass airflow. This is not the case. Maybe someone removed it and it recorded. So intake air temperature sensor 1 circuit high. This is not what I'm looking for. Evaporative emission system incorrect purge flow. Then the main code is a camshaft position timing over retarded bank 1. Then 6 of this is evaporator. So this is the main code, a camshaft position timing over retarded bank 1, P0012. Last time we did a video about P0014, and it's also the same fault. So take note about that. This is why every quarter center is different. So if you are using a car, any car, and you have this kind of noise, engine rattling, or this kind of code, please drop in the comment section and reach out to us. We'll solve it for you. So we are going to open the valve cover and then check the timing chain, whether it's a timing chain. But my suggestion and my personal point of view is the timing chain adjuster and the variable valve timing intelligence, the VVTI. That's the a camshaft position. So it has made the timing not adjust well, and it's not regulated. That's why it has been affected all this code, because the engine is malfunction, rough idling, like everything. Okay guys, so the engine cover is open. So I'm carefully checking the VVTI and the timing chain adjuster. These are the two main things. The reason why this engine regulated or provide this code is that this engine has a single VVTI. That is why it complaining about a camshaft position timing over retarded bank 1. And sometimes it give you B camshaft. The moment it give you B camshaft, that means the VVTI is 2. We have A and B. So this is a single VVTI. That's why it's giving us a camshaft. So it has a single VVTI. So let's take note about that. That is the 1ZZ Toyota Corolla engine, and you can see the adjuster is completely worn out. I just remove it and look at what happened. The adjuster is nowhere to find, and it's not going to adjust the chain well. It's not going to making it hard. So automatically the sound of the engine and the timing chain will rattling, giving you unnecessary noise. You heard about it in the beginning of the video. That is what is happening inside there. This adjuster is completely worn out, so we are going to change it. But the a camshaft position sensor, a camshaft position timing over retarded advanced is the main thing. So we are going to tackle it and completely we will change the camshaft completely. I told you never lock this camshaft when it's not good at all or giving you this kind of noise. Some people's and mechanics use to work on it, and it's not going to help the engine perform well. It reduces the power of the engine. It cancel the communication between the solenoid sensor, oil control valve sensor, with the engine ECU. They didn't communicate well, so it is very important to replace it and then replace the adjuster. So this is the adjuster 1ZZ. It's a brand new adjuster. We buy it and we are going to replace it, including the VVTI, to figure out, and this is the solution. And this video is more important. If you have this kind of fault, let me know in the comment section and reach out to us. We will sort out for you, fix it, and make your engine sound as new as manufacturer did. That is what we do here. Many will testify, many will comment on this video that they have same issues. They brought it to our end and we sort it out. We provide quality service to our customers, and this is the brand new adjuster. Look at it. I personally don't want to go for the use adjusters because it sometimes feel disappoint and it's giving you error result. So for the good attempt, I just go for brand new adjuster, and which is quality. So I fix it, and this was it. Perfect work, perfect result, and perfect driving. Customer is happy, mechanic is happy, everybody is happy, and we are good to go. So this is all about, and I don't know why sometimes people find it difficult to solve these problems. If you are watching this video, please kindly share the video, because a lot of these problems are there regarding not find the right source, the right connection to do it. So adjuster is fixing back, and the camshaft has been changed. We didn't buy a new one because new one is not available. We go for a second hand use, but it's good at quite as good, and we replace it. So we are going to get a new sound, and this engine is going to perform well. As I tightened it, everything is good at stage. So if you have this issue, this is what you have to do. Subscribe, share the video, like, and comment.